So welcome to Gran Canary, round 2 of the European Championship. We're back on the tarmac.
If I was born to be a winner, then I'ma grow up to be a go-getter. Blood, sweat, and tears written in the plaques of kings. 1 in a million, the billions that have to sing. If I was born to be a winner, then I'ma grow up to be a go-getter. Blood, sweat, and tears written in the plaques of kings. 1 in a million, the billions that have to sing. When only all I know is see, when you're standing it down, left to right, 23. Every day of my life, the win is all I see. Dream harder than most, is more than a dream. This is reality. I was born to be king. Break the sweat from my soul as I reach out there and let it go with the form of a javelin throw. Come on, stay on my head. Don't just wrap my hands up tighter than a racket. And let it flow like a butterfly right to your throat. Think it's a joke to your eyes. I'm so bad if it's a hands. Which way did it go? Hard to recognize, sort of like the face of a ghost. That piece of the rope. Never gonna stay on the floor. Lips on the ghost, claiming you on your way to the ropes in the sky. Come on, if I was born to be a winner, then I'ma go up and be a
Awesome atmosphere here for stage 1 tonight. Start the rally with stage wins. Obviously only a small stage, but it's a positive way to start the weekend, and hopefully we can kick on like this again tomorrow morning. Struggling a little bit for a bit of pace. Haven't quite got the feeling on the car like what we had here last year. So we'll just go try and change a few things on the car now. For sure there's a lot more speed there. We just have to try and unleash it. Definitely much happier this afternoon. This morning I was just struggling, couldn't get any rhythm. This afternoon I felt much better in the car thanks to the changes that the team did.
What changes did you make when you said you made some changes?
I don't know, it was a magic wand that just went ta-da. There's a big battle going on at the moment. We've got 3 very fast Spanish drivers breathing down our neck, so it's going to be a big battle on this afternoon. We're not going to give up without a fight, but it's not so easy to lose. Not the result we wanted, but I can tell you, as I say, it's not from a lack of trying, so we can be happy that we gave it our best shot. Still points on the board, better than 0. Yeah, slow start to the season, but I'm sure we can pick it up now moving forward.